All right, today we're going to be swapping out the fuel pump on a 2005 Volkswagen Phaeton. Now, some of the issues we were having is, up until it finally completely died, is the RPM when we were going anywhere under 70 would bounce up and down. The way that the system works is the fuel pump on the driver's side, or non-North American cars, is going to be the left side. That fuel pump starts the car and it'll run for about 10 seconds before it turns off, and the secondary fuel pump, or the main fuel pump on the right side, kicks in. That's the one that we're replacing today. So if your car is currently doing this, be ready to start buying a fuel pump, maybe even buy one now and get it ready. So first thing is going to be to take out your back liner here, and then next you're going to have Phillips screws that I believe are plastic, so make sure you guys are gentle with that. Okay, now once you get that off, you're going to have two plugs to unplug right there. And then now to remove the ring, you're going to find a spot to hook it on and then take a hammer behind it and just hit it. I already did that, so it's loose. Just so you get a better view, just hook it in a notch, and then you get a hammer behind it to twist it out like so. Then once you got it fully twisted, it'll come right out. Now, if you can get this out of the way, that's the nicest option. So you can actually just pop the wires right out of that, and then you get a lot more space to work with. Then once that is off, pull this up carefully to make sure that no dust and debris goes in as much as possible. Then you're going to want to make sure to vacuum it out. Now once you get in here, there's going to be three hoses you have to unhook. One is right here. I believe the second should be this one right there. And then there's another one that goes farther over. Now once you get two of the three hoses disconnected, you're going to reach down on the left and right side. There'll be these clips that hold that in. I can get a view of it down there. Right there. And on that side over there, you have to undo. And then finally, to undo the third hose, you're going to have to pop the cap off the secondary one and reach down there to unclip it, and then it will just pull right out. And now that you've figured out how to take it apart, put it back together the same way, if you need help figuring that out, play the video in reverse. And make sure you guys subscribe.